making this video because I've noticed online there's a big problem with S10s or Blazers having issues with the tail lights not working, or the headlights. And basically I saw a lot of videos about people trying to fix it and they never figured it out, and I was reading comments and they never figured it out or whatever, and or people tearing their whole cars apart and going through everything they shouldn't just to try and fix it, and it probably wasn't necessary, but I think I figured it out because this switch has always been kind of iffy anyway. But you see, like, my lights should be coming on, but they're not, and my dash isn't coming on. Anyway, I put the multimeter here, and it wasn't putting out the right voltage. So I made this, and I'm pretty sure, I haven't seen this anywhere online, but this is my idea, is there's two orange wires in there, and they're supposed to be connecting, and they're not. Or, I mean, they're not supposed to be connecting. They're not making a good connection, basically. And I don't know, but I haven't actually tested it yet. But I'm gonna see. Alright, so as you can see, I made this jumper cable and fed it down into the orange on both oranges. Okay, so just thinking that this is gonna work. Let's see. I can't see crap. Alright. Yeah, it's working. Tail lights, headlights. Seems to all be working. So it is that switch that is apparently faulty because a lot of people have this problem. So hopefully that helps you and you haven't torn apart your car trying to figure it out.